First click on dashboard. To create a new quiz, click on create quiz. Give a name to this quiz. Click on create. This will open a screen in front of you. In this you can start adding your questions. Click on add item and then click on question. Now type your question here, like what is your name, then give options. You can keep 3 options, 4 options, 5 options as per your choice. Here I am keeping 3 options. I will tick on the correct option. On the required field also you have to tick, and then give points to your quiz. You can give 10, 20, as much point as you want. Here I am giving 10 points. Now you can change the font size and other whatever things you want to change. You can settings you can change. Here also you can change. For each option you can change the settings, like here I will show you. Click on this. Now here also you can change the size, and again you can minimize it. This arrow is given here. This will open it. You can change the settings and then again you will click this arrow, then it will come back to its position. Then click on the button save and add another, because now you want to add another question also. Again new question will screen will open. Here you type your next question, like where do you live. Give options. Again I am keeping here 3 options. I'll click on the right option also. Required field is also already ticked here and points are already there. Now I want to keep only 2 questions in my quiz, so now lastly I will click on the save button. Now see here, 2 questions are added in your quiz. You can add as many questions as you want. So 2 are added. Now come to the bottom. Here you can see the add page. This is required to give a welcome page and a thank you page to your quiz. When you click the welcome page, you can write here. You can give a title to your quiz, like welcome to the GK quiz. Here again you can change the settings also. You can change the font size, color, shape as you want. After doing all the other settings, you just click on save. You can go and see here. Now your quiz is having a title. Now come to the thank you page. You can write here thank you. Again change the settings. Again click on save. Save button you will click. Now you can go and see your thank you page is also added here. So now here this quiz is ready, but now settings portion is remaining. So for the settings you have to do what? For each quiz you have to do separate settings. So first, for doing the setting, we will click on configure. This button, when you will click, the settings page will open in front of you. Here you can see the quiz. I'll show you. See here. The name of the quiz is visible here. Then you can see here already quiz name is already checked here, and page title is already ticked here. Now you have to click on the progress bar and the page number bar. After this you will give time limit to your quiz. It is in hours and minutes, so I am giving time limit to my quiz. I want to give 1 minute to I want to give 1 minute time to my quiz, so that the people can complete the quiz in 1 minute time duration. So I have given 1 minute, you can see here. Now I will come to automatic number question. Here I will tick. This option will give a sequential number to your questions like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. After this, question per page. This option, if you want to give, you can give, like if you want to keep one question in one page, you will write here 1. I want to keep one question in one page. It's up to you as you want to keep. Now maximum quiz attempt, here I have given 1. If you want to keep unlimited attempt to the quiz you want to give, you can give. I want to give only single attempt, so I have kept here 1. So the user will be able to attempt the quiz only once. Then we will come here down. Here you can see there are many options. You will deselect all these options. We don't want all these. Editing options are here. We will not allow the user to do any editing option in our quiz. But allow the previous page navigation is compulsory, so it is ticked here. Confirm before submitting the quiz. So I'll click here also, and close the browser tab. This option is also compulsory. So now you can see our settings, our configuration. First part we have completed. In configuration, first part is our completed. Now you can see here there are 3 buttons. Click on this. Now we will come to first general part setting we have completed. Now we will do the grading. For this I want to give grade, means as per my wish I will give 20 points, means in 20 points if any user will get, then he will be considered as pass. And for fail I am not giving anything. If you want you can take it, if you don't want then there is no problem. After this again we will come to the third setting. Here you can see it is results. For this setting you will do what? Already this is ticked, result page you want to show to the user, so you have to click on that. It is already clicked. Now result page option means once the quiz is completed, you want the user to see the results. So first you click on the name, email, result, grade, point score, percentage score, duration. These all things will be shown to the user when his quiz will be completed. But if you don't want to show them the review report or the review answer report, then you have to deselect it. So I don't want that the user should be able to see the answers, so I am going to deselect all these things. So this will not, user will not be able to review the answer report. Only these things I want to show, so I have selected that. Now we will come to the notification. Email notification it is. Here you go and click on this. Once all these settings are completed, you can see general setting, grading, result and notification. These settings are completed. After this we will move to publish. We want to publish the quiz so that others can also play. So I will click on the publish quiz button. Now quiz is successfully published. I will click on OK. Here you can see the status. You can see here it is open now. The quiz is open. And now you will click on the use quiz link. This link you can use anywhere. You can send it on WhatsApp or you can mail it so that the user can play the quiz easily. After this option, we will go to the analyze button. You can see here analyze. This will you will be able to analyze your quiz results. I'll click here. Now here there have been no unsubmitted or submitted quizzes. Once the user will take your quiz, then the report will come here. After this, after the analyze button, you will go to publish, and then you can, before sending the link, one thing you have to keep it in your mind, before sending the link you have to see the preview of the quiz, that your quiz is okay or not. So for this, you can see here on topmost, here preview button is there. Click on this. This will open your quiz in front of you. Welcome to the GK quiz. Start the quiz. What is your name? I'll click here. I'll choose now next page. Where do you live? I clicked here. Now again submit button I have clicked. Submitting the quiz. This is the preview. Now in preview you can see all the options are there. Name is coming, email, results, score, grade, duration. So this means our quiz is okay. Now I'll click on the next button. Here I am seeing the thank you page also. So this means your quiz is okay. If you are satisfied with the quiz, then you will be able to send the link to your users. I'll go back again. Now this link I will send to the users on WhatsApp. I'll click on the link, I'll copy the link, and then I'll move back to WhatsApp. I will copy the link here. Wait for a moment. Now just click on this button. Your quiz is open now. It is ready. Now anybody can take it. Once a person will take your quiz, like if any person wants to take your quiz, that person will type the first name, last name, email address, and then register. Start the quiz. Choose the option. Come to next. Another question. Again come submit the quiz. Once the quiz is submitted, you can see the scores also. Now for viewing the results, you have to go back on the report. Report is the option. How you will go on the report? I'll show you. Click on this button. Here you can see report. You have clicked on the report. Click on quiz. After that, choose the quiz name. Your quiz name you can choose just now. Here you can choose the quiz. Once you have chosen the quiz, you can see here. The report is in front of you. Can you see? Sarthak Raghuvanshi has played on 16th of May. Date submission and time is also there. Scores you can see. You can see the grade also he's passed. If you want to see the details, you can click on view button. Export, click on export button. Once you will export, it will open in Excel file. This quiz will be open in front of you in Excel file, and here you can go and check the results of the students. Here you can see Sarthak Raghuvanshi has taken the quiz. You can expand your cell or the column in this manner. You can see the scores, you can see the points, and you can the reports status also. You can see the quiz is submitted or not, how many attempts the user has taken, you can see. Now you can go back.